please join me in welcoming the parents of the bride, Saleem Sufi and Ruby Saleem. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a big, warm welcome.
First of all, I would like to thank all of you for coming here to attend this beautiful evening. I know New York is not an easy destination, whether you drive or you fly to. So thank you very much for making it happen for us. Without your participation, this event would not have been as much enjoyable as we have right now. Thank you very much. I would like to invite my beautiful wife, Ruby, to accompany me here. During the few minutes, I would like to share my thoughts. Ruby is the architect, engineer, and builder of our family. I have been privileged to live my life with 5 beautiful women, my wife and my 4 lovely daughters. And it has been a full house, but now one after another, they are leaving, my daughters. And it makes me a little bit sad and lonely. And today is Saba's turn, and that makes me even feel a little bit emotional. Saba has been our first daughter, and I spent the most time with Saba. And this has been a very special father-daughter relationship. We have times where we were really supportive each other, but many times comparative with each other. We talked a lot, we argued a lot, we enjoyed a lot, we fought a lot. End of the day, it was very enriching and fulfilling relationship. I wish I could have repeat this relationship again. Saba has a bold personality, and with a sense of responsibility, she wants to take control. She wants to plan everything, she wants to take control of everything. And this evening you are enjoying here, behind the event there is a lot of details, tedious work, and a lot of efforts from Ripple and Saba to plan this event and organize it as you are enjoying it. Saba is no doubt good in planning and creates plans every time wherever she has the opportunity. The only time she has screwed up a plan is the AT&T data plan. Now, frustrated by the increasing charges on my bill, our family plan, I increased my data limit from 2 GB to 4 GB to 6 GB to 10 GB. Finally, I had an unlimited plan. And Saba, at the same time, tried to keep her top position in the family as the top user of the data plan. And in the meantime, she also was able to break or lose a couple of iPhones. I'm glad that starting next month, she will be paying her own bills. Today, I have a mixed feeling. On the one hand, there is a deep sense of joy to see Saba starting a new chapter in her life. And at the same time, I have a sense of losing a precious part of me. Now, Ripple. When Saba first introduced me to Ripple, she said, "Dad, this guy is just like you. He's a very ambitious, hardworking, successful corporate professional." So I said, "Okay, that's great. What could be a better dream for a father to have a son-in-law like him?" Now, we do have many common things between me and Ripple. First of all, both of us are from the financial profession. Both of us have worked as CFO. Both of us have spent some time in Dubai, living there. Both of us has worked in a company named Gibson Guitar with a crazy CEO. We can share unlimited jokes about him. But what really impressed me about Ripple is his humble, casual, and friendly personality. After the initial introduction, he started to visit our family. And it did not really feel that he's a new member of the family, as if he was with the family for a long period of time. He would rather insist Saba to go to our house just to meet us, parents. So he has tremendous family values, and we really enjoyed it. And then he invited us, the parents of Saba, to visit his parents in Dallas. I can tell you, I have not met people who are so humble, polite, respectful as the parents are. So this is our really good luck to have such a family integrated with us. Today, when I look at Ripple as my son-in-law, my sense of losing a precious part of me is overshadowed by the joy of having a son. So, Ripple, welcome to the family. I'm very proud to call you my son. People use different combination of words which are logically not right or do not make sense. For example, alone together, clearly confused, open secret, original copy, growing smaller, and here is my favorite, happily married. But don't get scared, Ripple. We are the living example. Your parents and me and Ruby are the living examples of really, jokes aside, a successful, happy married life. So both of you, Saba and Ripple, whenever you need our free help, you can always take it. But before that, today, I would like to give you a very simple advice to each of you. So listen carefully. Saba, first. As a woman, I believe that you want to see yourself, both of you, as one. I'm not sure which one, but you will be one soon. Remember, men, guys do need some time of their own. They want to watch sports. Sometimes they want to watch sports with their friends. Leave them alone. Ripple, listen carefully. God has created woman to be loved, not to be understood. If both of you follow this simple advice, probably you would not need any further advice from us. Ladies and gentlemen, join me in wishing Ripple and Saba a very long, happy married life. Thank you very much.